धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ टाइम्स नाउ को, आईसीआईसीआई बैंक को कि उन्होंने मुझे इस पुरस्कार से आज सम्मानित किया है। मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि मैं केवल एक अकेला इंसान नहीं हूँ जिसे ये पुरस्कार दिया जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर एंटरटेनमेंट की दुनिया की बात की जाए तो मेरे बहुत से साथी हैं और बहुत से जवान जनरेशन, यंगर जनरेशन के एक्टर्स और एक्ट्रेसेस हैं जिनकी वजह से भारत की फिल्म इंडस्ट्री जो है वो दूर देशों में जानी जाती है। तो उन सब की तरफ से ये पुरस्कार मैं उन सबको डेडिकेट करता हूँ। कुछ ऐसे ज़माना था जब ज़्यादा फिल्में मेरी रिलीज़ नहीं हुई थी, लेकिन कई सालों से ये जो स्टेज शोज़ होते थे इन सब की एक तरह से मैंने शुरुआत की 1980 के दशक, और तब पता चला कि हम लोग कितने प्रिय हैं उनके लिए और वो हमारे लिए कितने प्रिय हैं, और तब से एक ये सिलसिला चलता रहा है। और मैं हृदय से धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ कि वो इसी तरह अपना स्नेह प्यार दिखाते रहें।
They are international face of our country, and I think, and we have such varied NRIs. We have from so many states, whether it's southern India, whether it's west or east or north India. The culture that we are taking there, the kind of food that we are taking there, the kind of values that we are taking there. So it's not only one section of people. It's India is so varied. So I think that's fantastic. Amit ji, what can I say? Amit ji being awarded as a global icon of the year, I think he does represent India. He does represent all walks of life, not only just cinema, but he is phenomenal, and I'm very happy and proud that I have the opportunity of not only sharing screen space with him but also knowing him, and I'm very happy, and I congratulate Times Now and Amit ji and all the other awardees for getting this honor.
I think the simple thing is that the country is respecting and felicitating, of course, all the Indians who live outside of India. So it's kind of nice that when you leave India and you go plant roots elsewhere, that you never really forget the home country, or actually the home country doesn't forget you. So it's a nice plus.
Of course, it feels amazing, and it feels like out of the world. It's my first film, and it getting appreciated all over the world and not just our country is something that we are very proud of and very excited. So I am very happy.
अब आई थिंक बच्चन साहब अब ग्लोबल से ऊपर जा चुके हैं। अब उनको कोई ब्रह्मांड का या कोई कक्षा का कोई एक नया अवार्ड देना चाहिए, क्योंकि उनको सारे अवार्ड मिल चुके हैं। वो सारे अवार्ड के लायक भी हैं, उससे ऊपर भी हैं। मैं नहीं समझता कि अब कोई अवार्ड ऐसा कोई बचा है जो बच्चन साहब को नहीं मिला है। तो ये अवार्ड वो ग्लोबली कह लें, पृथ्वी का कह लें, पृथ्वी से बाहर कह लें, मंगल ग्रह का कह लें, चंद्रमा का कह लें, सारे अवार्ड बच्चन साहब को जाने चाहिए। बच्चन साहब यू डिजर्व।
I think they are people who have done extremely well and made themselves as well as the country proud, and it's a good effort to award them, to reward them, to recognize them and their efforts, and to of course make them feel a little special. So I think it's a great effort to have these awards, to give them that little moment of glory and tell them that they are appreciated, their efforts are appreciated. Well, I think he's a global icon. He's the eternal global icon. There's nobody as magnificent and as wonderful as he is, as a person as well as an actor and an achiever, most importantly. So rightfully so, he deserves that and much more.
I feel it's a fabulous initiative. It is the first NRI Awards, which is, I think, an initiative of Times Now. And I believe in today's times where we are more and more becoming, in very cliched known terms, but a global village, where it's very important that we be exchanging energies. No better people to start with is our own people out there who are representing our country and who to that extent are always rooted back to the motherland. So I believe it's a beautiful initiative to be honouring people who have done us proud and who hopefully remain connected for a long time and help India move far ahead in the coming years.